The last time we asked and inquired about her love life, she was almost removed from earth. And we ended up with Madlanga Commission. We ended up with the most dangerous man, cantankerous pillar of someone's strength, walking the face of the earth. Cat Matlala is who Thabo Bester thought he was when he was in the flying machine of the Nandi Makutumane private part collaboration. Yan amukela kwinkqubo yami ngokuthi abakadade ngokuthi abakagogo ngokuthi abaka-anti ngokuthi abakasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Are you currently looking for employment in the energy space? Look no further because Link Resourcing works in recruiting employees for their clients in the energy space. Yes, so if you've got qualifications as an HV joint worker, guys, get into somebody engineering, get into somebody. So I'm going to advertise the following posts, and if you have the qualifications, please apply because their client is looking for people in this field. Everything is professional, above board. Mamela, this is professional work, okay? The client just has spaces and they want to fill them. So please share if you can. Also share if you can. They are looking for a qualified person for the following positions. Take a look. Sana, do the most and apply now. Izindaba zanamhlanje zinilethelwa yini ngoba zigogo. Tebogo Tobejane, right, was seen posting a new guy. It was one picture and Instagram went off. People were in her comment section. Jola, who is this man risking his life? It is not easy to be with you, Tebogo. In. She came back today and responded and said, do you ever think me I will ever post my man after everything? I was just testing you guys and you guys failed, okay? I will never post my man here, now or ever. I'm just there like, Tebogo, Sebeti, Wanyana, Sakobara, Bara, what 82, Tebogo. Don't post no man, okay, girl, because you date the ones that bring all the news departments together. You date the ones that even shock Minister of Police. Oh, not shock because they work together in the crooked places. You date the ones that are corrupt with the ones that are supposed to protect us. Tebogo. Because of your attempted removal on earth, we have uncovered one of the most generational crooks we've ever seen. Okay. Ananias Mati can only dream of the wealth that Cat accumulated in the dangerous places, allegedly, so on and so forth. And allegedly, Debu, we don't want to know who you are sharing private parts with anymore, my sister. Whatever private part collaborations, please keep them off the charts, keep them off Spotify, not even YouTube Music. Eh? That voice, we already corrupt. You've showed us. But not here. My child is in grade R. Can she just get to matric before you start World War 7? Please. Woo! Hangazi, you remember Valentine's was last month in Lerato Kganyego. I know you guys forgot Valentine's Day because Lerato Kganyego did not buy the world, you know. The man was was exposed for a lot of things, so there was not much we were looking at that side in terms of gifts and giving, because we now know that we are paying tax to sponsor people's Valentines, so it's not exciting anymore. But guess what? What? Hmm? You remember the Maweni and the Nadia Nikai? They gave us the Valentine's pictures. Don't worry, it's an app allegedly, AI. They say no one drew those flowers handmade. Apple, apple ngwana ntate, apple. Ba re le wena o ka kreya app, o be o hlale laphaya, o qoke black bese uthi ra, uthi ra. Naya, happy Valentine's, my man, my man, my man. Thank you. Cheers. E le wena. Re ngwala, oh, he loves you. Oh, wow, wow, wow. It's the streets. Coco Mawen, I know you, doctor, engineer, pastor, agricultural specialist. It's the streets. Yes, Anna. The Real Housewives of Cape Town star, Mrs. Leo. She is currently Nadipa Magodumane and Rosemary Ndlovu's colleague. She has been taken into custody. She slept. She slept with no hush, keep her. The husband on the run. On the run. Listen to the story. I'm going to read it word for word. Siphi story Sam. Technology. According to Buzz Life News, the Nigerian husband of the Real Housewives of Cape Town star, Mrs. Leo, is said to be on the run and wanted for fraud, perjury, and theft. Innocent Alio Kai Abinokano, who is the husband of Loveline Mrs. Leo Abinokano, a blogger, mom, influencer, and entrepreneur from the Northwest. Featured in The Real Housewives of Cape Town, is reportedly on the run and being sought by police. Mkuku, Mai. Mrs. Leo appeared on the reality show as a blogger, businesswoman, and the owner of La Prive Concierge and Events. She is a mother of four and married for 60 years to Leo. In 2024, it was reported by IOL that the Directorate of Prioritary, they're speaking about big words here, of crime. I'm not a criminal. I don't know criminal words. Yeah? The Director of Priority Crime Investigations, known as the Hawks. Why didn't they just say, I'm a Hawk? So, the Hawks in the Western Cape seeks the public's assistance in locating and wanting the suspect. They are giving us their job. They say we must help them look for Leo. Asnani pepper spray. Anyway, the provincial spokesperson for the Hawks, Warrant Officer Zinzi Hani, said investigators need assistance in locating a suspect named Innocent Aliokai Abikaino for a matter of I'm gonna say in tablets and Jabuli channel number. Yeah, who is involved in allegations of fraud, perjury, and identity theft. They revealed that there was a warrant of arrest out for Abinokai for failure to appear in court for an ongoing matter. Furthermore, it is reported that Abinokai is also on trial and facing charges of fraud, contravening Section 4 of POCA 121 of 1998, money laundering. I knew when I watched that show. In in that he allegedly defrauded female victims via online dating scams. And thereafter failed to appear before the court. Although unconfirmed, Mrs. Leo is said to have been recently taken in for questioning by officers. Abinokai branded himself as a Nigerian-born business professional with experience across various industries. Unama, criminal. He has been associated with business operations in Cape Town, South Africa, specifically residing in the Parklands area, according to a 2014 14 Government Gazette document from the South African Legal Information Institute. He also maintains a professional profile on Frontiers. Everything I just read sounds like jail, 16 years. You do the crime, you do the time. Ask my ex, he's still in there for 33 years. Safa, sape, mm. Let's talk more in the comment section. Comment section. Bahaj.